helping them do that sort of bad thing.
Is it me? Is it abortions?
Torpedo Jones is greasing the ball, and he's using my grease to do it.
Oh, come walk with me. Come behind the scenes. Torpedo's dazzling pitching is putting more butts in seats than this stadium can handle.
Now, is the roller coaster going to be okay without those huge planks of wood?
Sure. These people aren't paying for extra wood, Bob. No one wants to ride extra wood, Milton. Oh, watch out. Extra nuts and bolts. People come to baseball games for the same reason they come to the amusement park. To be entertained.
God bless
Does it
you.
really matter if the games are rigged? No.
Games are rigged?
Yes. My wonder dog is hanging out.
Yes, it is.
I got so caught up in our conversation I forgot to zip.
Yeah, I didn't say
You,
anything.
Alexei,
Why
is
not?
gonna
Compliments are welcome. Where was I?
You were saying the games are rigged.
Yes, the games are all rigged.
I'm not letting my kids play these games anymore.
But look at these smiling faces. Just like those smiling